If your child has been fitted with hearing aids for the first time, you will have been provided with some accessories to help you use and take care of the hearing aids. In this video, we will go over some of the accessories you may wish to use with your child's hearing aids. You may wish to use the safety line and clip. Hook the loop over the bottom of the hearing aid and wiggle it upwards. The clip is then attached to the back of your child's collar, so the hearing aids are not lost if they are pulled out of the ears. The drying beaker can be used to store your child's hearing aids. To prepare the drying beaker, unscrew the lid and then remove the inner compartment. Place the drying capsule in the beaker and then replace the inner compartment. The drying beaker is now ready to use. To use the drying beaker, place the hearing aid inside and close the lid. The listening tube can be used to listen to your child's hearing aid. Attach one end of the listening tube to your child's mold. Place the other end of the listening tube in your ear. The listening tube has a filter, so it will not be too loud for you to listen to. The puffer can be used to remove moisture or water droplets from the tubing. To use the puffer, first remove the tubing from the hearing aid. Insert the nozzle of the puffer into the tubing and then press the puffer until you can no longer see any moisture or water droplets in the tubing. Remove the tubing from the nozzle of the puffer and then reattach it to the hearing aid. You can use the battery tester to check if the battery in the hearing aid is still working. Place the battery flat side up onto the positive sign on the battery tester and press down. If the battery is working, you will see black lines running up the battery tester. If the battery is not working, the screen will remain blank. There are also some colourful zip tags and some stickers, which your child can use to customize the hearing aids and the backpack. Finally, there is an instruction booklet which covers the contents of the backpack that you can refer to as required.